In front of me is REALME Narzo 35G, and let me show you how to reset apps with your data. So at first you need to enroll and locate settings, just click to open, then go to additional settings and mark backup and reset. Here click on erase all data and pick erase downloaded apps and their data. And if you truly want to remove all those info, just tap on erase data. Confirm it again, and that would be all. As you can see, it has been done. Now your device would be rebooted, so within a couple of seconds you will be able to use it in a normal way. However, all the app data is removed. And now you can set up your device. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.